Hello everyone! Day 2 ng aming Taiwan trip at samahan mo kami mag-explore ng Kaohsiung City. Nag-Uber nga kami ni Mama papunta doon sa first stop natin and napakaganda and linis talaga ng Taiwan. Cost ng aming Uber, 140 NTD. First stop, ang Great Harbor Bridge and we were greeted by this beautiful sunrise. Ganda rin natong bridge. Ang ganda din nitong train system nila. Diba? Street level yung mga trains. Lakas maka-Australia and Europe vibe. A few minute walk, andito na ng Pure to Art Center at napakadaming magagandang art and murals here. Ganda. After that, nag-check out na kami dahil papunta na tayong Taipei City. Sumakay nga lang kami dito sa Kuakuang Bus Terminal for 585 NTD. After 4 to 5 hours, nakarating nga kami dito sa Taipei City and sobrang lamig nung dumating kami dito dahil windy. But that's fine, I'm not complaining. Walking distance nga lang pala dito yung hotel namin, Rechange Hotel. Highly recommended tong hotel na to dahil near Taipei Main Station. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next vlog. #JoshApproved.